Hey there, what's up you guys? My name is Amy Bernice. I make videos about how to make money online. And in this video, we're going to talk about what are the common mistakes when it comes to creating, crafting, and publishing funnels. That is very crucial if you want to get more sales leads or signups. So that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Without further ado, let us dive right in. So number one common mistake as a business owner is trying to market yourself without any sort of funnel at all, right? So regardless if those are funnel pages, what other business owners usually do is just get people directly to the sale. So they are so money hungry that they don't even care about providing value towards other people. They just really want to get a sale and say, hey, I have this very course, I have this very product, this very service, and I want you to buy from me, without basically telling anyone what they're up to, what their value is, if it can provide their clients the solution that they need. And so that is basically the number one mistake, is not being able to convey it, or is not being able to use funnels in any sort of way possible, even if it's not a funnel at all. Like basically just conveying the right information of how your product or service can provide solution to the clients that are in need. So that's what I think is a number one mistake. The second one, when it comes to our dearest funnel pages, one of the things that I see people do is that they do not really optimize their funnel pages in mobile. So what usually happens is they design and create the funnel on a desktop, and then when it comes to the mobile version of it, the picture is somewhere chaotic, the text is over here, the picture cannot be seen in full, and like it's one thing on top of the other, and when they're not supposed to be there. All of these things, just complete chaos and mess when it comes to the mobile optimization. And if you do not know, 80 to 90% of the people that are visiting your page are actually using mobile, right? So every single one of us, it's a lot easy for us to just bring our phones, watch a video, get to a page that someone is leading us to, and it's just a lot easier for us to check out pages with our mobile phone. The only reason why we usually use a laptop or a desktop is because probably we're watching a movie or we are working, and for whatever reason we have stumbled upon that very page. So very highly unlikely. And so you want to make sure that your funnel pages are mobile optimized, so that regardless whatever device they are using, if it's desktop or mobile, you make sure that the user experience of your funnel page is prim and sweet. Okay, there you got it. One of the mistakes that I see a lot of people make, and probably one of the biggest also, is the fact that people make funnels, but they do not drive enough traffic to it, and they just say that it's not working. So in order for your funnels to actually work, you need a lot of people. Okay, a lot of people that goes into that very funnel page or your landing page, and that's where you are able to collect data, if it's working or not. In my case, it's a lot easier for me to create a funnel and target people from the Philippines, because maybe for quite some time, I've been doing this for a long time now. People have already heard about my name or what I do, that it's a lot easier for them to know, like, and trust me, or trust me basically from the surface, and know that I'm going to be delivering something of value. But if I am to run ads, for example, or drive traffic to my funnel coming from outside of the Philippines, it actually takes a while, right? I need to be producing more videos, I need to build more value in order for me to get people to sign up. And that's basically what I've been using in order to break through that sort of like this very wall of unfamiliarity, in which in funnels, we call them cold traffic, right? So they don't know about you and you still need to break through that very barrier, provide more value in order to get people to sign up, let alone buy from you, right? And so in that very sense, in order for your funnel to work, you need to make sure to drive a lot of traffic into it before you can actually conclude that it's not working, right? So you can't just say you have 90 people that went to your funnel and 10 people signed up, it's not working already. Like, it's very hard for people nowadays to trust people just because of the things that's happening on the digital era, right? And so you have to try harder. You have to get more people to watch it because the usual conversion rate for a funnel normally is 20%. 20% is already a really good number, right? If you are targeting people that do not know you yet. So remember, when you are creating funnels, again, this is to build your KLT, your know, like, and trust factor. And in order for you to get them to sign up or buy and whatever stuff you have, you still need to build rapport, right? So breaking that barrier is not going to be easy. You have to be more creative with your ads or your videos or value, anything sort of value that you are delivering to your customers before you can get them to sign up. Okay, those are the top 3 things that business owners and digital marketers do. And so to make sure or to ensure that your funnel is going to be successful, just avoid those 3 things. And you should probably be on a 70 to 80% success rate. There are still more pieces, yet again. The funnel consists of like a riot of pieces that you're going to be testing and tweaking and whatsoever. But I think just getting past those 3 is going to get you somewhere like 70 to 80% already. So that's already a good number. Now, that is just the beginning, because if you're going to go with me in the Get More Sales workshop, the details are below this very video. If you haven't signed up yet, please do. And if you have already signed up, just make sure that you save the streaming link that I left at the bottom of this very video. And I'm going to see you very, very soon, as our workshop is just right around the corner. I hope that you're as excited as I am, and I can't wait to be with you live very, very soon. You'll be able to ask me questions and I'll be able to interact with you if you have anything that you need help with in terms of funnels and digital marketing. So I hope I'll see you in the workshop, and I'll see you in our next video.